Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken biryani in a fun and unique way. Uh, I have a whole chicken in front of me, as you can see here. I'm going to cut this chicken into a pieces, and then I'm gonna, marinate this chicken in this bowl. Let's get started. First, we will start by cutting about 5 pounds of chicken into smaller pieces and placing them in a large bowl. Now the chicken is ready. We will first add garlic ginger paste and then homemade yogurt, some salt, olive oil, and finally a spice paste which I made by myself out of Himalayan spices. You can substitute this with your own paste or a biryani spice from your local South Asian store. Next, I will marinate all of these ingredients onto the chicken. To cook the chicken, start by heating up a pan and then adding oil. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, next add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Then add the chicken to the pan and mix it together. Wait for the chicken to cook halfway, since the other half of cooking will be done in the oven. The chicken is almost half cooked, so I will add in some chicken biryani masala, which you can get at any local South Asian store as well. I put approximately 4 tablespoons of this spice. While the chicken is finishing being halfway cooked, we can start cooking rice by boiling 6-7 cups of water and adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, a stick of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 3 cardamoms, 2 star anise, and 7 to 8 cloves. Once the spices have boiled into the water, I will add 4 cups of basmati rice to the pot. Only stir for a little so the rice doesn't crumble. As you can see, the rice is cooking alongside the chicken. We will only cook the rice halfway as well. Also keep some chicken gravy to help the dish bake in the oven. The rice is now half cooked, so I will go preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Afterwards, oil an aluminum foil tray and spread the oil around. Slowly strain the rice from the water and add most of it to the tray. Make sure to remove the bay leaves in this process. Then one by one, add the chicken on the top of the rice. Right now, I'm hand picking mint leaves from my garden to chop. I will also chop onions and cilantro. We will now fry the chopped onions until it is dark brown. Top the tray with most of the chopped vegetables. Again, I will put more rice. Next, you can slowly pour the chicken gravy all over the rice. The remaining vegetables can be garnished at this moment. Now you can finish off the rice from the pot. In 2 small bowls, I have some orange food coloring and saffron, which I will add milk to and mix together. Start by pouring the saffron over the rice. Then you can pour 1 stick of melted butter on top of the rice. I will finish with the orange food coloring. Seal the tray tightly with aluminum foil. Now this tray is ready to go in the oven. Bake this for 30 minutes in 350 degrees. Finally, our delicious biryani is ready to be consumed. You can eat this whenever you are ready, once it is done cooking. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this dish as much as my family does. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.